write music for playing out or for practicing playing out, because in music that consists of 4-note chords like D minor 7 or G dominant 7. It depends on where you want to play out. You have to be delicate about it, and very often you can play in the end of the chord progression before we return back and start over again. Right where the dominant chord is, that's where most people play out, because the drums are doing the fills and everything is chaos before we find back again. So you can play out there. But when you want to practice playing out, then use funk tracks. Why? Because funk tracks or funk-based fusion is blues-based. It's like... Right? So it's based on the blues scale. So you got that blues scale sound, and that is out already. So whenever you see a funk fusion jam track online, you can go to any one of Jammin' Backing Tracks is a nice channel for that. Then you actually have an environment where we're using the blues scale as the basis of the harmonies in the background, and so it's already out, right? Because the blues scale is just full of notes that are not in. Just think about the blues, if we just standard traditional blues, and we're using a minor scale, a minor pentatonic with a blue note, which is the flat fifth, right? That's out. But if you play a dominant 7, which is the first chord of the blues progression, and then you play that minor note, that is so out, it's crazy. But the whole environment, the whole blues thing just makes us accept it, which is so cool. But so whenever you want to practice playing out, and you can do so in a very simple way, I'm just going to show you, then you want to use funk-based tracks, or at least blues scale-based music. So you can use sidestepping. It's the simplest way of playing out, where you have your whatever scale. You can use the pentatonic scale here. And you play something, and then you play it 1/2 step below. Or you play something, and then you play it 1/2 step above. And then you go right back again. So right here I'm playing 4 notes up in the 5th and 7th fret on the 2 middle strings. Then I slide that note up 1 semitone, and I play 4 notes down. But the same kind of intervals, 2 whole tones in the 7th and the 6th, sorry, the 8th and the 6th on both strings, and right back again. I'm just moving it around like that. So I have a nice jam track here that I can play for you. No, not that one. That's more like it. Alright, so here we have a funk track, and it's in the key of E dominant 7. It's just playing in the background. I'm just going to use the E blues scale, and in this case here, I'm playing the 7th fret and the 9th fret, but I'm using 4th tuning, so. So it works really well. In this case here, it was from Slow Hand Records, Jazz Funk Fusion / backing track, parenthesis, E7, 106 BPM, parenthesis, over, end, right? So a really nice, and just use sidestepping like this with the blues scale, and you're playing some very fusion-like stuff here. So have fun with it. Do leave a comment if you feel like it, and remember to subscribe. Makes everything easier for me if everyone would subscribe, because then I would have 3 times as many subscribers, and so many things could be possible. So I hope to see you in the next video.